So today in this lecture of trigonometry, we are going to learn some basic formula with illustrations. Suppose you are given tan theta plus cot theta is equal to 2, right? Then there is a question, find tan raised to n theta plus cot raised to n theta. Then find tan raised to n theta plus cot raised to n theta. Either find the value of, I'm writing here, value of this tan raised to n theta plus cot raised to n theta. So this is given here, tan theta. So this is your solution. So solution is tan theta plus cot theta is 2, right? Now you know tan and cot are reciprocal of each other. That is cot theta is 1 upon tan theta, right? So this is tan theta plus 1 upon tan theta is equal to 2. Now in trigonometric question, you know you have to simplify. So taking LCM, so tan theta comes here. So that is tan theta into tan theta is tan square theta. So this is tan square theta plus 1 is equal to, LCM is tan theta comes here. So this is 2 tan theta. So tan theta is multiplied with 2. So now taking these 2 to left hand side. So 2 tan theta comes left hand side becomes minus. So this is tan square theta minus 2 tan theta plus 1 equal to 0 हो जाएगा, right? Now this is a perfect square, ये perfect square है. So this is a perfect square of tan theta minus 1. So this is tan theta minus 1 whole square is equal to 0, right? Taking square root both sides. So this is tan theta minus 1. So this is tan theta minus 1 is equal to 0 because square root of 0 is always 0. No need to write positive or negative. But remember one thing, आपको एक बात याद रखना है और आपको पता भी है कि tan कोई भी नंबर से इसका नेगेटिव स्क्वायर रूट लेंगे तो आइदर पॉजिटिव आइदर नेगेटिव रहेगा, राइट? सो tan थीटा इज इक्वल टू 1. सो यहाँ पे हमको tan थीटा 1 मिलता है. सो दिस इज tan थीटा. नाउ given that find the value of tan raised to n theta plus cot raised to n theta. So we get tan theta is 1. Now cot is reciprocal of tan. So n cot theta is equal to 1 upon tan theta and tan theta is 1. So answer of cot theta is also 1. So therefore cot theta is also 1, right? So now tan is 1, cot is 1. So substituting value, what we get? So therefore now tan raised to n theta plus cot raised to n theta is equal to 1 raised to n plus 1 raised to n, substituting the value of tan and cot 1 1. So what we get here? This is 1 plus 1, that is 2. So this is your answer. So answer of this tan theta, tan raised to n theta plus cot raised to n theta is 2, right? Suppose you are given a second question. So I have to write from here that sin theta plus cosec theta, then sin theta plus cosec theta is, I am again taking 2, okay? I am again taking 2. Then what is the answer of sin raised to 4 theta plus cos raised to 4 theta, right? Either find the value of sin raised to 4 theta plus cosec raised to 4 theta, not cos theta, it's cosec theta. Cosec raised to 4 theta is equal to blank. This is your question. So this is given sin theta into cosec theta is equal to 2. So I am proceeding this for another way. I am solving this in another way. This is number 1 given. because this is very useful formula. I am going to teach you. मैं आपको जो दिखाने वाला हूं इसके बाद वो बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट एस्पेक्ट है, राइट, जो आपको याद रखना है, राइट. सो आई एम नॉट simplifying this way. If you want to simplify in this way, then cosec is 1 upon sine, reciprocal of cosec is 1 upon sine theta, so you can simplify by squaring this method, right? But I am going to square both sides. So squaring means this is sine theta plus cosec theta whole square is equal to 2 square. This is your answer. Sin theta plus cosec theta whole square is 2 square. That is your answer. Now expanding this, applying a plus b whole square formula, and that you know a plus b whole square. Answer will be a square plus 2ab plus b square. This is your answer. A plus b whole square. So answer of this is sin square theta. And remember one thing. While you are solving questions of trigonometrics, right, and you are applying this type of formula, then expanding in a way that is first term square plus last term square, then write middle term, that is plus 2ab, right? So that will be very useful for simplifying. So I am writing sin square theta plus last term square cosec square theta, right, plus 2 times first term second term, that is middle term. So 2 times sin theta into cosec theta is equal to 4, right? So what we get? Sin square theta plus cosec square theta is equal to, now this is sin and cosec are reciprocal of each other, that is this multiplication is 1, sin theta into cosec theta is 1, so this is 4 and this is 1, so 4 minus 2, that is 2. So this is sin square theta plus cosec square theta is equal to 2. Sin square theta plus cosec square theta is equal to 2. So this is your one of the result. But what we require, we want sin raised to 4 theta plus cosec raised to 4 theta. So again squaring both sides. So now I am writing this step directly, not I am going to write this step. मैं ये लिखने वाला नहीं हूँ, सीधा यहाँ लिखेंगे इसका पूरा स्क्वायर करके, राइट? सो अगेन स्क्वायरिंग, square of this is sin raised to 4 theta, because this is like this, sin square theta whole square, sin square theta whole square, that is square of square, that is 2 into 2, 4. So this is sin raised to 4 theta plus last term square, that is cosec raised to 4 theta plus 2 times AB, first term last term, that is sin square theta cosec square theta is equal to square of 2 is again 4. Again these are the reciprocals, so answer of this multiplication is 1. So what is your answer? Sin raised to 4 theta plus cosec raised to 4 theta is equal to 4, and this is 1. So 2 into 1, that is 2. So answer will be sin raised to 4 theta plus cosec raised to 4 theta is equal to 2, right? So this is your answer. So answer of this sin raised to 4 theta plus cosec raised to 4 theta is again 2, right? Now compare कीजिए, observe these two result. What you observe, आपने क्या देखा वो बताइए. क्या देखा? See, tan, reciprocal of tan is cot, that is this is fx. Suppose this is fx, then cot is 1 upon 10. You know this cot theta is 1 upon tan theta. So if we say that this is fx, then this is 1 upon fx. So fx plus 1 upon fx, fx plus 1 upon fx is equal to 2. Fx plus 1 upon fx is equal to 2. See here, sin theta, this is 1 upon sin, that is fx plus 1 upon x is equal to 2. Then fourth power is 2. 2 power is also 2. And n power here is also 2. That means if it is given sum of function and its reciprocal is 2, जो फंक्शन दिया है वो फंक्शन और इसका रेसिप्रोकल उसका सम जो 2 दिया है, तो पावर ऑफ any power, take up any power, then what is your formula? Then fx raised to any power, that is n, plus 1 upon fx raised to n is always 2, is again always 2. Got it? Tan theta cot theta, fx plus 1 upon fx is equal to 2. Then fx raised to n cot 1 upon fx, because cot theta is 1 upon 10, that is 1 upon fx is always power n is always 2. So function और इसका रेसिप्रोकल का सम 2, then any power of function plus reciprocals is always 2. But ये जो 2 दिया है तब ही रहता है. So this is the important for your competitive exam, that means for JEE, right? Because no budget for 11th class. So this is important formula. Function plus reciprocal is always equal to 2. Then any power of function plus any power of reciprocal is always 2, right? So here tan theta plus cot theta, how we get this? See, tan theta plus cot theta is 2. If we convert this cot theta into tan theta, then this is 1 upon tan theta, then what we get? Tan theta 1, so reciprocal is always 1. Similarly, if we converting this, then what we get here? See, I am writing here, this is sin theta, this is 1 upon sin theta is equal to 2. So this equation becomes sin square theta plus 1 is equal to 2 sin theta. This becomes, now taking these 2 sin theta to left hand side, what we get? Sin square theta minus 2 sin theta plus 1 is equal to 0. So this is sin theta minus 1 whole square, as similar as this. So what we get? Sin theta is equal to 1. So this is sin theta minus 1 whole square is equal to 0. That is taking square root. Sin theta is equal to 1. Now sin is 1 means cosec is 1. So this is cosec. So this implies cosec is also 1. So I am doing another way using this method. So sin cosec 1. So 1 raised to any power is always 1, that you know. So any power of function plus reciprocal but same power is always 2 if sum of the function and reciprocal is 2. So this is your important formula for JEE, that this tan theta, that is fx, and cot theta, that is 1 upon fx. So fx plus 1 upon fx is equal to 2. Then fx raised to n plus 1 upon fx raised to n is always 2, right? So this is for tan cot, this is for sin cosec, and if you want to find out, then take a consideration that cos theta and reciprocal of cos theta is sec theta. So if sec theta plus cos theta is equal to 2, then today is 27th July, right? So today is 27th July. So cos raised to 27 theta, 27 July. So 2 raised to cos raised to 277 theta plus sin raised to 277 theta is equal to, answer is 1. Answer is 1. What is the answer? Answer is 1. Got it? So remember this thing, function and its reciprocal sum is 2 given. Function and its reciprocal sum is 2 given. Then any power of function plus any power of reciprocal, but both power are same, right? answer will be 2 always. Answer will be 2 always, right? So using this formula, I am giving you a one illustration, right? And the formula which we used in previous lecture, right? That is sin raised to 4 theta plus cos raised to 4 theta is equal to 1 minus 2 sin square theta cos square theta, and we learn these two formula. Sin raised to 6 theta cos raised to 6 theta is 1 minus 3 sin square theta cos square theta. So this is also important formula for JEE, that is competitive exam, right? So remember these two formula. Got it? So write down.